Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 1, Ghana 0. I'm joined by my brother Libitso Kimangu.
Pasha.
Hey, Pasha.
Yeah.
Okay, game when is wrong time?
Yeah, I can be Mnandi.
Yes. Are you can do Kana time?
Actually, Kalang striking force set.
Striking force?
Yes.
Ukalangoban, evidence.
Evidence. We need somebody who's going to score goals, not to work hard. Work smart.
Oh, we don't need someone who's gonna work hard.
Yes.
We need a person that's gonna work smart.
Yes.
It's gonna score goals.
Yes. When we play tournament, it's not about working hard, about scoring goals and taking 3 points.
Ninjalo, Baba.
Yes. That's what I wanted to see.
So, ufuna strikers ebani lapha?
Yeah, Foster.
Oh, Foster ne?
Yes.
Yeah, evidence ahlale phansi kanje.
Yes.